Namaste students. Before starting today's story, I want to ask you something. Have you noticed?
Your mom or grandmom are lighting diyas at the entrance door of your house? Have you also seen your neighbors also lighting diyas outside their houses? It is not Diwali now. Diwali is already gone, isn't it? But why are they still lighting the diyas? Well, there is one more festival of lights and it is called Kartika Deepa or Kartika Masa. During Diwali, we worship goddess Lakshmi, but during Kartika Deepa, we worship Lord Shiva or Bholenath. There is a very beautiful story associated with this Kartika Deepa festival. But to understand that story, you need to know who are called as Trimurtis. In Hindu mythology, there are three main gods: Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara or Shiva. These three gods together are called as Trimurti. Brahma, who sits on a lotus, has 4 heads. He is the creator of everything in this world, such as plants, animals and people. While Vishnu is the preserver, the one who protects everything in this world, such as plants, animals and people. Here is a picture of Vishnu. He sleeps on a snake called Sheshnag. Maheshwara or Lord Shiva is the destroyer. He destroys the creation of Lord Brahma so that they can be born again. Lord Shiva wears a tiger skin and has a snake around his neck called as Vasuki or Nagabharana. Long ago, one day, when Lord Brahma was travelling around the universe, he reached Lord Vishnu's home in Vaikunta. Lord Vishnu was sleeping on a snake called Sheshnag. Lord Vishnu did not get up to receive or greet Lord Brahma. So Brahma became very angry. Brahma and Vishnu started arguing as to who is more superior or powerful among them. This argument turned into a fight and they started fighting the battle. This battle went on for many days. When all other gods heard of this battle, they came to see Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu fight. But as they saw, the fight only got worse. The other gods understood that this fight would not end unless Lord Shiva helped them. So, all the gods decided to go to Lord Shiva for help. As soon as Lord Shiva heard about the fight between Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu, he sent 100 of his devotees, also called as Shivaganas, to stop the war between Brahma and Vishnu. However, the war still did not stop. So, Lord Shiva himself went to the battlefield to stop this war. On reaching there, he saw that Lord Brahma was about to use his most powerful weapon, that is Brahmastra, and Lord Vishnu was about to use his most powerful weapon, that is Narayanastra. Children, these weapons were so powerful that they could have destroyed the whole universe. So, to stop this fight, Lord Shiva turned himself into a pillar of fire or infinite fire between them. This pillar of fire was so big in size that it reached the sky at the top and penetrated down into the earth. Nobody could see the start or end of the fire. Lord Shiva then said, "Whoever finds the start or end of this fire will be the supreme among all other gods." Lord Brahma turned himself into a swan and flew up to the sky to find the start of the fire, while Lord Vishnu turned himself into a boar or Varahi, that is pig-faced, and dug into the earth to find the end of the fire. Both Brahma and Vishnu travelled for a long time and went very far beyond the sky at the top and way below the earth at the bottom. But both of them could not find the start or end of the fire. Both Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu then came back to Lord Shiva and agreed that Lord Shiva is the most supreme and powerful among them. Shiva then appeared as a very big hill in the shape of a fire called Arunachala Hill. The day when Lord Shiva turned into a fire was on a full moon day of Kartika month. To celebrate this incident, a holy fire is lit in a huge lamp on the day of Kartikai Deepam or Kartika Deepa. This is why we celebrate the month of Kartika by lighting lamps just like we do during Diwali.